guys, welcome to
97.
a brand new
98.
video with these two special people who decided to help me go on this journey.
This
Wait,
is,
what's your
yo,
name?
if I buy one more flashlight, that's all my
Curry
money.
Gamer and Spiky Seal Lion.
Yes. It's
So
me.
basically, we're gonna go
Meow.
over. Guys, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Meow meow. Okay, let's go. Alright, I'm a kitty. Meow meow. I get angry sometimes when I do this. Meow meow. Water. Meow meow. Meow meow meow. Meow 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 meow. You know what? Kitty can jump. Parkour.
These
Parkour.
noises are annoying.
Parkour. Parkour. Ah.
To be honest, I've never been at this area before.
Bro, I literally almost died, bro. Why you're a pretty princess, bro? You're gay. You're a dog and you're a princess for this, and that's weird. Yo, Pink, you're being weird. Let's go! Pink, why do you sound like a girl a little bit? Why are you a dog then? Okay, let me come down here. Bye, guys! I'll meet y'all down there. Meow meow. Meow meow. Meow.
Guys, wait for me.
Okie dokie. That's my. What is this? Look.
No, I hate this. I'm not going in. I'm not going in.
I know the way, guys. Wait, actually, I don't.
I know the way, guys. Follow me.
Not going
Follow
in
the
there.
ground.
Not going in there.
It's fine. It's fine. It's fine.
Yeah, boy.
Yep.
Not going in there.
He's dead.
Just die. Come back. We gotta come back.
Stop it! Stop it!
Hey, we're so in it.
What was that?
Meow. Yo! Yeah, I shouldn't have. That was me who caused it. I accidentally put in the flashlight trying to move.
Wait, what do you do to survive it?
I think you gotta kill it. There's like 2 of them in the fence. There's 2 of them.
Now I'm not going in there again. Nope. Nope.
Guys,
Don't worry, we go in mine so we
died.
can go to the bunker and go to Lava World. Fine, we'll go to Lava World. Come on, boys.
We
Nah,
died.
That's weird. Nah. I like how everyone was just screaming their life out.
Alright, I'm going to Lava World. See you later, boys.
Wait for me, wait for me.
Okay. But there's no parkour. There's a spider. We gotta go to the spider. Where he's at? He's on the bottom of the hole. Bye, boys.
Wait, I'm coming.
Oh, we just gotta watch out for the spider.
Nah, that was...
Are you coming, man? Get in mine and go all the way to the bottom.
Is there any new monsters in this? Is there any new monsters here?
Yes, there's a spider.
The
let me
spider
think.
ain't new.
Armstrong's in there. And then, alright, we're gonna have to go though. There he is.
That's not a
There
new
he is.
monster.
Dude, it's a very old. It can't. This monster will got released on March.
Yeah, I know.
Oh. Where'd he go? Do you know where he went?
I think he went this way.
But that's where the lava world is.
So?
Is he down that way? Check. Upstairs.
Oh!
Is he down there?
No, the guy in the vents is way creepier.
Wait, is he down there? Yes, he
Right
is.
there. Should we try kill it?
Kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it. Bro, why does it look so funny? If you touch the web, it knows. I don't like the spider. I
touched the web.
Yeah, you can't do it. There's no more. There's no more spiders. Oh, we gotta head down here. Alright, Armstrong, so you gotta rush really quick.
Or
But-
I hate.
It's parkour, like this.
There should be webs. Oh, Armstrong.
Armstrong.
Armstrong gets a little. I'll kill him.
Bro, Armstrong missed.
Oh, he's getting crazy. He's.
Wait, do you know what I'm
I was
at?
able to get
Don't
away
be
from
right.
him. He already
there-
acts a lot.
The bunker! It's the bunker! Where the lava road is.
Yeah, I
Follow
know.
me. Ah!
Where are you? Where are you?
Fallen.
I know how to get. I know how to. Oh, what are you scared of?
Am I overreacting?
Come back down here!
Where are you?
I'm over here. Alright, let's go. Don't lose me this time.
Is there new monsters in the lava world?
Well, no, there's the old monsters. There's been the old monsters. The only monster there's those like little bombs.
Wait, what's all the new monsters?
They're like mini bombs. You fly, if you get targeted, they'll follow you.
That's what they'll do. They'll blow you up.
Bro, the bombs aren't new. Wait, before we go down, can you tell me all the new monsters?
There's no new monsters. There's no new monsters.
No, like in the whole game.
I don't know all the new monsters. Only monsters that
Like
were
the
new.
guy in the vents.
That's not new. That was like in July 3rd.
Well, some I haven't
Alright,
played.
I'm good. I'm jumping down. Ah! Oh. Where are you? That's the pipe.
I thought you were a cat, not a monkey or a gorilla. These are the noises that are in my nightmares.
There's no monsters, I'll tell you.
Yeah, I know.
I don't like this place. It just creeps me out. I know the way out. There's no light. Already found it. We're
My
far
headset's
in the
low.
bunker. We're in the wires. We're in the wires. Wait for me. Yeah, and you're gonna have to die if you don't get that. We're here.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, what are we gonna do here?
Where are all the crystals?
They're on the poles. They're on the
I
poles.
don't see them.
Alright, we're coming down.
But I see fish.
die.
I'm in the middle of a situation. No!